Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Audi Q7 key fob. Modern Audi vehicles, including the Q7, typically require specialized diagnostic equipment or a visit to an authorized dealership for proper key fob programming. This process ensures the key's immobilizer and remote functions are correctly synchronized with your vehicle's security system. Attempting to program it yourself without the right tools is generally not possible. The most reliable method for programming an Audi Q7 key fob is through an authorized Audi dealership. Technicians use advanced diagnostic tools, such as Audis, to connect your new key directly to the vehicle's onboard computer. This process involves matching the key's transponder chip to the immobilizer and synchronizing the remote functions. It guarantees full functionality and maintains your vehicle's security integrity. If you're using an aftermarket key fob, ensure it's compatible with your Audi Q7 model. These keys often need to be cut to match your ignition and door locks, and their transponder chips must be coded. While some automotive locksmiths possess the necessary diagnostic equipment, it's crucial to confirm their expertise with Audi's complex security systems before proceeding. Always prioritize security and proper functionality. Unlike older vehicles, modern Audi Q7 key fobs cannot be programmed using simple DIY methods like turning the ignition on and off or pressing button sequences. The sophisticated immobilizer system requires direct communication with the vehicle's security module, which only specialized diagnostic equipment can achieve. This design prevents unauthorized key duplication and enhances vehicle security, making professional programming the only effective solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.